So you are moving to Denver, relocating to Denver, and want to know if Denver is the right city for you. Don't move to Denver before you watch this video. I'm going to talk about 10 things you must know before you move to Denver. If you don't know who I am, my name is Depot Phillips, your Denver real estate agent. If you're a buyer, seller, investor, have any other question what's going on in the Denver market, please leave a comment below. If it's your first time to YouTube channel, welcome to YouTube channel. Before you run anywhere, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. At the end of the day, I want to be a great resource for you and be a realtor for life. The first reason why you should move to Denver is higher elevation. So Denver is called the Mile High City, 5280 above sea level. The air is very, very thin, and that elevation can give you headaches or it could give you motion sickness. And when you come to Denver, it's very, very important to drink lots of water, because when you're out, you see lots of people with water flasks to drink water so you can stay hydrated so they don't get those headaches or that motion sickness. So it's very, very important for you to drink water while you're visiting Denver or moving to Denver. A tip for you to get acclimated in this higher elevation is do lots of cardio. Because when I moved to Denver, I had to get acclimated in this higher elevation by doing lots of cardio. So for you to get acclimated in this higher elevation, do lots of cardio, drink lots of water. The second reason why you should move to Denver is cost of living. So cost of living for Denver has dramatically increased, and it's getting to be one of the most expensive cities in the United States. Because pre-pandemic, the average home for single-family home was between $400,000 and $450,000. Then during the pandemic and now after pandemic, the average price for a single-family home is about $650,000, up $200,000 within 2 years. And people who are Colorado natives are not very happy because they're like, man, price of homes were affordable and lots of people were enjoying living in Denver. And now they're like, all right, we can't live in Denver no more because of this inflation. We want to move out of Denver. So if you're a person who are moving to Denver, relocating to Denver, the cost of living for a different market is increasing, and it's still increasing because more and more people are coming into Denver because of marijuana, lots of outdoor activities, 300 days of sunlight, and property taxes are low. Third reason why don't move to Denver, because limited natural water. So what I mean is that most of the body of water that we have in the Colorado region are man-made. We have man-made lakes, man-made reservoir. And where people get water in the Denver is from the Rocky Mountains. When the snow falls in the Rocky Mountains and melts, it goes down the stream and they put in a reservoir and they distribute how many water they need to give for the whole state of Colorado. It's not like in California or the Midwest or the East Coast or the South that have easy access to water, but in the Denver region, supply is very, very limited. The fourth reason why you shouldn't move to Denver is the transportation. So Denver metro area is getting very, very congested because they don't have a lot of light rails like bigger cities like Chicago, New York, or DC. And they do have train that takes you from some suburbs to downtown or from some suburbs to airport, but they don't have a train. It will take you all the way to Fort Collins, all the way to Colorado Springs, and the transportation infrastructure is just not the best right now. And just trying to find ways how to build more trains so people could take public transportation to get to work or do fun activities or do whatever they want to do. The fifth reason why you shouldn't move to Denver is the traffic. So traffic in the Denver metro area has been very, very congested. And people who are Colorado natives are like, where are these people coming from? Because back then, traffic wasn't like this. You know, people moving from California, people moving from Texas, people moving from the Midwest, especially a lot of people from Chicago, are moving to Colorado because what Colorado has to offer. And traffic is starting to get bad, and they're trying to find ways to expand it. But the population in the Denver area is just growing. And if you're a person who's coming from a small city, moving to Denver, or from a big city coming to Denver, just to let you know the traffic is going to be crazy in this Denver metro area. Sixth reason why you shouldn't move to Denver is the mountain traffic. What I mean in the mountain traffic is that if you're a person who likes to ski, snowboard, or check these mountain towns out, just to let you know, you are going to not like the traffic. Because going to the mountains, you got to take Interstate 70 to go to the mountains. And 70 is the only way to get through the mountains. You can't take any other interstate to go through the mountains. And it could be very, very hectic. Meaning is that if you're planning to go on peak season to the mountains, you have to find a way to schedule your travel time so you're not stuck in that traffic. Because I heard lots of horror stories on Interstate 70 and people going to mountains because it could be car accidents and it takes them 4 or 5 hours to get to one spot, but it's supposed to take them 2, or heavy snow. So just to let you know, when you're moving to Denver, just to let you know that the mountain traffic will be a nightmare and you have to plan accordingly. The seventh reason why you should move to Denver is limited lot space. What I mean in limited lot space is that lots of people are moving into the Denver metro area, and lots of builders are trying to construct these lots for people to live. But what the problem is that the yard space is shrinking for the ideal person to live in that home. There are some other homes in the Denver area which you see with double lots, and those people living in those homes are lucky because they have the big yard and they are enjoying their lifestyle. If you move a little bit further south or north, some homes you could find that will have bigger yards. But if you want to be in the location that you like and enjoy, you will be dissatisfied because you don't have the yard space, because the lot size are very limited in Denver metro area because of the population that is moving into Denver. Eighth reason why you should move to Denver because of the air quality. What I mean with the air quality is that in the warmer months in Denver, you will see they were saying that ozone or limit outdoor activities because air quality is bad, because lots of people like to do things in the summer and travel a lot. And all this pollution and everything that's in the air. We also know the air is very, very thin in the Colorado region. And if you're a person who have breathing issues or have asthma or whatever, just to let you know is that the air quality is not the best in the Denver metro area in the warmer climate months. The ninth reason why you should move to Denver is infrastructure challenges. So what's going on in the Denver area is that the population is growing a lot and people are moving here and they're trying to find ways how to accommodate with the people. For example, like the highways, very congested. They're trying to find ways to expand the highway so they can limit the traffic of people flowing throughout the city. Another reason is water. As I said, water supply is very low in scarcity because with the man-made lakes, we just don't have the water supply like we do like these other states. And with like electrical, like they are trying to make electrical safe. For example, another reason, cell phone tower or signals, because people don't get the best cell service in this Denver metro area and they're dropping costs because the population is growing so fast and they're trying to find ways how to keep up with this rapid growth of population. 10th reason why we should move to Denver is population. So population back then for Denver wasn't as much, but now the population has boomed. Lots of people who are moving to Denver want to be where a good food scene, music scene, or lots of activities. And if you go around the Denver area, you see lots of crane because the Denver population has grown a lot. And if you're a person who wants to be in a quieter place and want to live in Denver, you can live in the Denver metro cities or live further south or north to be in a place that's very, very quiet. But the Denver market is booming. Lots of people are moving to Denver. Denver has lots to offer, like outdoor activities, sunlight, lots of concert, music venues, artwork, and there's so many things what Denver has to offer. So that's about 10 things you must know before moving to Denver. If you have any other questions about what's happening in Denver, please leave a comment below the video. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like the great content to deliver today, please like the video and share with your peers. And thank you very much. And guess what, guys? I'll see you soon.